Welcome to DragonForce's Basic Web Orientation, where I'll be your guide through the DragonForce Web platform. Check for your login requirements from your DragonForce administrator. Before logging in, you'll need your server name, username, and password. Open your web browser, Chrome recommended, type in your server name, hit enter, then type in your username and password. Then log in. When first logging into the DragonForce application, you'll be prompted to fill in your profile information. Fill in each field and make sure your profile information is complete and accurate. From left to right, there's the main options menu where the user can adjust their settings and log out of the platform. The group manager that lists the groups of which you're a member. The roster, which is the status dashboard, letting you know which users are available to you. Next is the messaging tool where you can send messages to an entire group or individual users. Then there's the map tool, allowing you to see the real-time location of your team members on the field and where users can create an action plan by adding customizable annotations and icons to contribute to the common operating picture. Next is the Resources tool, where you can access your personal and department files. Then, there's the Push to Talk button, allowing you to communicate with the members of your pre-selected group. Next is the PTT server, letting you know if the PTT service is enabled or disabled. Then, the location icon, which displays your device's GPS fix, the user's online presence, and your local time. Lastly is the notifications bell. It alerts the user of new messages, files, and groups or incidents. Under the main options menu, you can edit your user profile, set your alias and tracking mode, add comments, and update your status. You can also toggle the PTT voice service and log out of the platform. This is the tool workspace, where you can arrange the various DragonForce tools accordingly. Users can access the groups of which they are members through the Group Incident Manager. Select the group by clicking it. Your currently selected group is highlighted in blue, and you have access to the associated tools within the group workspace. Under the Group Incident Manager, click the Create New Group icon. Type in the group name, and click the check mark to confirm the new group. Next, let's assign members to your group. Click the Member Manager icon to expose the Member Manager tool, which displays your active pre-selected department with a complete list of users. The Department Selector provides access to users from other departments. To assign members to your team, tick the checkbox next to the preferred users, then click the green arrow to add the members into your group. This column represents the user's role in the group. The Gold Crown user is a group manager. There can be only one Gold Crown per group. The Hollow Crown represents the group members. To promote the user, simply click on the user's crown. This Silver Crown user is an assistant manager and has the same permissions as the group manager. Once you've assembled your team, click the check mark to confirm. From left to right on the roster displays the user's online presence, their username and alias, the department they're tuned to, the user's location status, the device they're logged into, their operational status, and any additional notes. Each user has access to all the groups and incidents, as well as the full department roster via the department selector. The messaging tool allows you to send secure messages to entire groups or individual users. First, confirm the recipient of your message, then compose your message and hit the send button. You can also pre-configure commonly used quick text messages to expedite responses. Click the quick text button and select the abbreviated message you wish to send. Then, hit the send button. Additionally, users can drag and drop images to the message thread. And when selected, it turns into a whiteboard where members can then collaboratively contribute new incident information in real time. Use the icon palette to identify your suspect and team members on the field. You can build out your action plan and adjust the annotations accordingly. As we open the map tool, we can see the real-time location of the members inside 123 Main Street. Any member of the group can contribute to the common operating picture using icons and customizable annotation tools available to them. You can easily import any custom icons or symbology for your operations. The drawing tool gives you an array of options ranging from basic lines and shapes to distance measurements and search grids. Use the transform tool to adjust the size and rotation of the annotation, or lock the annotation so that no changes can be made. Additionally, you can apply fill colors to shapes and adjust the transparency, as well as place text annotations to identify an individual or objects in the field. To set a new home location for 123 Main Street, select the magnifying glass, then look up address to type in the new home location. Select the gear icon to view the map tools and click Set Home Location. Hover your cursor over the designated home location and click once to manually pin the location. DragonForce also supports multiple map layers including street, satellite, and topographical views. The feature layers list the layers available to be placed upon the selected base layer. The settings for both the base maps and feature overlays are customizable on a group-by-group basis. You can manage your files from the Group Incident Manager workspace. To add a new file into the group, you can either upload the file by right-clicking on the group workspace and select Upload to launch your device's file manager, or you can drag and drop a file from the desktop. To create a sitrep, right-click on the group workspace and select Create Sitrep. For this example, I'll fill out an active sitrep listing the details of our suspect. Then, click Save. The Resources tool manages your files and gives you access to a personal secure storage space and a shared departmental space. Files stored in My Resources can only be accessed by the user logged into the web app. Files in Department Resources can be accessed by any department member with permission to view the department resources. Like the file manager within the group workspace, you can drag and drop new files from your desktop into your resources, or grab a DragonForce object from the resources into your group workspace. Any alerts received will be listed in your notifications panel. Selecting a notification will take you to the new content. You can clear your notifications by clicking Clear All or clear them individually. When first logging into the web client, you will be asked for permission to use your computer's microphone. Make sure to select Allow to enable this function to use with PTT. Using the PTT tool within the web command is very similar to the mobile app. The only difference when using PTT is the need to set the PTT channel at the very top by selecting Set PTT Channel. I'll select my group, and you'll see the status ring and the PTT server turn green. When you're ready, press and hold the PTT button to talk. Your message will broadcast to everyone in the group. This concludes basic orientation to the DragonForce Web platform. For more information or to schedule a live demonstration of DragonForce, contact us now and see how we can help your organization today.